The default settings for a Proxmox virtual environment setup are to use a hard disk using the grub bootloader to load Proxmox at boot time. Instead, we are going to select the Options menu, which will allow us to select ZFS as the file system type. In this instance, we're going to use ZFS RAID 1, which will mirror the Proxmox installation across two drives, SDA and SDB. More advanced options for ZFS can be configured using the Advanced Options menu, but this is all that is necessary to install Proxmox to a ZFS target instead of a hard disk target. You can continue with the Proxmox installation as you normally would. An important item of consideration when installing Proxmox to a ZFS target is the bootloader. As mentioned before, grub is usually used as the bootloader for Proxmox and other operating system installations. However, when Proxmox is installed to a ZFS target, Proxmox will use the Proxmox boot tool to configure the systemd boot bootloader. We can see here that for EFI systems installed with the ZFS as the root file system, systemd boot is used. As a result, when performing actions that change certain boot parameters, when update grub is normally needed, instead the Proxmox boot tool will be utilized instead to update the bootloader configuration.